Hello everybody, I welcome you all to my channel Aditya 11 Triple T. Today here we are going to demonstrate you the difference between the HP adapter and Dell adapter. What is the basic difference between HP and Dell adapter? What happens? Why it doesn't charge when we put HP adapter in Dell laptop and Dell adapter in HP laptop. So we are going to see the difference between both the adapter today. Okay, now here I am having a two adapter available with me. One is HP and one is Dell. Here I am going to demonstrate you. This is the two adapter. One is HP and one is Dell over here. Okay, now let's see what happens. Okay, I am going to take up the HP and Dell adapter pin over here. These are the two pins available with me. One the light glowing one is Dell and this second one is HP. Okay, now let's check on multimeter first. I am taking an HP adapter first. I am checking this HP one first. Now let's check on multimeter first. What is happening? First, this is the black probe on the ground and I am checking on the side portion, that is coming 19.72 voltage, that is equivalent to your 19 voltage. And when I check on the middle pin, this is I am checking on the middle pin, you will see 9 volt is coming on the middle pin. Okay, here I check in the middle, there is a middle pin in the HP also. Similar to that, you will find some voltages coming out here, approximately 10 voltage, 9 voltage it is coming. Now let's check on oscilloscope also, that is DSO. Here I am placing the negative point. Okay, now I am taking the probe. Here I check. As you can see, it is on the normal 19 voltage coming. Okay, now I am going to check on the middle part, middle pin, that is of HP. Now see, there is a there is a voltage up in the middle pin also. As you can see, there is a voltage up in the middle pin. As I am checking out here, as soon as I touch the middle portion of the adapter pin, it goes up. As you all can see, it is tough to show, so I am taking it off and I am showing you. So this is what is happening, it goes up. Now let's check on. Okay, now here I am taking a Dell adapter pin. This is a Dell adapter pin. Okay, this portion, outer portion, is the ground part. The inner one is the inner part, that is the middle pin. As you all can see out here, if it is visible, the inner part is something, the middle pin, which is used as PSID over here, and the side part is the 19 voltage which it is having. Now I will demonstrate you what is the voltage available. Okay, now I am placing the probe right here. This is the probe on the ground side and I am placing it in here. As you can see, it is 19.53 voltage coming out over here. Okay, when we put the probe in the middle pin of Dell laptop, as you can see, there is no voltage available. Here I am putting to the middle pin, but no voltage, it is fluctuating. Okay, and on the side portion, when I put, it is 19.53 something voltage coming. That is equivalent to 19 voltage. And on the middle pin, in this, there is no voltage available in Dell. This is a Dell part. Now let's see on a oscilloscope or DSO what happens out there. I am taking the ground part over here. This is my ground I am taking. Now I am taking the probe of oscilloscope. Have a look at that. Okay, see, the voltage is changing, right, like here. Now I am going to put it in the middle pin. Let's see what happens out here. Here I am putting into the middle pin, but see, there is no variation changes on this particular Dell adapter. Okay, Dell adapter pin will have the which will not have the voltage on the middle part, but whereas HP adapter will have the voltage on the middle part of the adapter, middle pin of the adapter. one of the video is that when we use this Dell adapter, it has no voltage on the middle pin, but when we when we use the HP adapter, we have a voltage on the middle pin. This is the basic difference between a Dell and a HP adapter. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot.